keep commenting, keep commenting, keep commenting. Like I said, that is my motivation. That's what keeps your girl going, so keep me going, period. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in. And I'm going to do a little close up of the look so y'all can get into it. I'm going to try to take some pictures today so I can insert them. But I'll also insert pictures from the first time I did this look. It's not exactly the same, but it's damn near the same, y'all, because I'm that girl. Yeah, you heard it here first. Live. And in action. And I just want y'all to get into it, get into the details real quick. Is it giving what it's supposed to give? Leave a comment, yes or no. It better be yes, because it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Yeah. Alright, y'all, lovers and lovettes, thank you guys for tuning in every week like y'all do. I love the support, and I'll see y'all again. Period. Y'all, it's Lo, and I'm back with another video, you know, so this is a highly requested look that I'll be doing today. Like you guys, just cut. Yeah, my dread's hanging on by threads, but it's okay. I'm losing a dread a day. I'm gonna be bald head by the time I finish this video, but it's okay. Besides this point, y'all, I'm back with another video. Your girl Lo, we here and thriving, doing well. We about to record this video for y'all. So today is going to be a highly requested look. My Instagram really ate this look up when I posted the pictures on my story. I just woke up one morning, did my makeup, wanted to do a look. Instagram ate it up, so they want a tutorial. So here I am, I'm giving y'all that tutorial. So it's going to be like a smoky eye, but it's going to have a little spin on it. And then I'm going to use some jewels or studs or diamonds or whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna spice the look up. But yeah, when I posted the pictures on my Instagram, they ate it up. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some clips on the screen and check out these photos, y'all. This look right here is what we're gonna go for. It probably won't look exactly like these pictures, but you know, a smoky eye is a smoky eye. So yeah, let's get right into the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And I already started with my brows done. So today for my brows, I used my Kiss Top Brow Pomade with my Anastasia 12 eyebrow, not pencil, but brush like I always do. And then I did conceal my eyebrows today using my Tarte Shape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand. And then on top, of course, I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Alright, so let's get right into it. I didn't use a eyeshadow primer today. So I just used my Tarte Shape, like I said, as my primer. And for this look today, guys, I will be using my Morphe 3503 palette, and then of course my all-time favorite, y'all. I know she's canceled, I keep saying this, but my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, y'all. The pigment in this joint is amazeballs. So we're going to be using these two palettes to achieve today's look. Again, that's the Morphe 3503 palette, and then my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 Grateful, which is this color here. So we're going to use Grateful and Thick Skin in our outer eyelid space. This is real by far my favorite brush ever, and I got it from freaking Amazon, y'all. I love this brush because it's dense, but it's also fluffy, so it just picks up the shadows so well. Like, it just gives me such a blended look. We're gonna take this all the way up to our eyebrows because we don't have no lid space. You know the drill, y'all. So take it all the way up into your brow, girl. big.
Turn the heat up, ain't nobody hot as me everywhere.
Alright, so now I'm going into 3503 palette, and I'm going to use this color here. A mixture of these two bottom browns. I hope it's picking up brown on the camera, but they're brown. Probably more of this one because it's to deepen up this orange color I have right here. But like I said, these palettes don't have names on them. Only the collabs do. So. Alrighty, so right here I'm just showing you that I'm going to deepen them first two brown shades by going into that black and that dark brown that I'm pointing at, just to deepen it and give it another look. Alright guys, so right here I'm just deepening every color please don't mind my mother in the background. But right here I'm just deepening each color. I'm going in with that first shade, and then I'm going to go in with the brown, and then I went in with my finger and I put the black on. She's killing me. Then I put the black on and deepened every color and went through with a fluffy brush just to make sure that everything was blended out and seamless.
Like the coke in the 70s, big body double I took, I got bold extra like and they can't get close to me, big bag.
Go highlight
from a nigga. No, I ain't no. If I did cut my legs out right now, I ain't never been with the whole talk, snitch talk, always
Gemma blend primer.
Yeah, I'm a stand up. Where I came, same route. I ain't never ran from a nigga. No, I ain't no.
Alright y'all, so I'm back, and today we're going to do something a little different. I know I swear by using the Real Techniques foundation brush and then my Morphe M439 foundation brush. But today we're going to use a sponge because I'm trying this new makeup hack that I saw on TikTok. And pretty much how the hack works is you're going to put your foundation on, which I did, and then you spray your face with your setting spray, and then you're gonna spray your beauty blenders. This one's my Real Techniques, and this one is my Morphe sponge. I'm really feeling the Morphe sponge, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's a little bit smaller, but it just gets so in the crevices way better if you ask me. So I'm gonna use this brush right now, and I'm gonna spray it with my setting spray. Spray my face some more. Ooh. Smell good, taste toxic. Like a lot of niggas I know. Alright, so right here I'm using that beauty blender to blend out my makeup, make sure everything gets beaded into my face. I'm going to bring it down to my neck, and then I'm going to use that brush, just my face brush that I love to use so much, just to blend it in some more to give me a more seamless look. Alright, and then I'm going to use my concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand Gold by Tarte Shape, and I'm going to be fanning that out to make it tacky so that it can, you know, give me a more seamless beat. Or let me stop saying seamless, I mean flawless, guys.
I know the patience to do with your shit today. You been walking around with a stank attitude like your shit don't stink. I don't give you no trouble on most days, but I will today. I've been holding my tongue, got the right to be in my feels today. Cause I work too hard, but I love you way more harder. I didn't have.
Right here, I'm just fixing my eyeshadow, blending everything out.
And you might wait to find somebody else too. She can never be me. Just want someone that you do what you want, but that'll never be me.
Same powder as always, Maybelline powder in the color 02. Alright y'all, I got these studs or eye jewelries or whatever you want to call them from Amazon. If y'all want the link, I can put it in the description box, but y'all never interact with me, so I never put it in the description box. Find it yourself. It's like, no, I'm joking. But I decided to do gold. These are different than the ones that I had in the picture. I'll put right there. These are gold versus the ones I had in the picture were more iridescent, if you can see that. I feel like I filmed this look before. Did I film this look already? I don't think so. Did I? I remember doing a look with studs. Let me go look at my YouTube channel. So these things come with like sticky on the back, some adhesive on the back. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use my duo eyelash glue as well, just to secure it. You want to try not to put it so close to your lash line right here, because you have to put lashes on still. Unless you're just one of the girls who's gonna do eyeshadow and don't put lashes on. But y'all have never known me to do that, so. Alright, so right here, y'all, I'm putting my studs on my face one by one. At first I was using my duo lash glue, but I was having a hard time. So I ended up using just the adhesive that came on the back of the jewels. And I would say they worked pretty nicely. I didn't have any studs falling out off my face throughout the day. So it's pretty secured if you want to go ahead and get those ones instead of just the ones you have to stick on with glue. Using the color Espresso Black Radiance Foundation. I'm going to go into this gold color and put it on the inner corners of my eyes. This gold color right here is called Talaya. Life is a Peach, and I'm going into these two middle colors, this orange color and the purple. I just realized that I wanted to wear red lipstick today, so I'm just gonna put it on top of this nude, and hopefully it still bring out the red. This is MAC's liquid lipstick in the color Quick to Stand Out. I just want to take a minute and say, wow, I got hang time like a mug, but my dreads are falling out in the front. But y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Continue to subscribe to my channel, continue to share my channel, continue to like, hit that bell button so that you know when I post, and stay up to date. yeah, so this is the finished look. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in like you guys do every week. Like I said, highly requested from my Instagram. If you want to play a part in the looks that I do here on YouTube, or just play a part in any looks that I do, go ahead and follow me on my social medias. I'll put them on the screen for y'all, because I love the support. So y'all might as well, if y'all support me here on YouTube, you might as well support me on Instagram and Twitter too. My Instagram and Twitter name is Sadiddy Lauren J. I'm gonna put on the screen like I just